So I got guns, she does. But I have no ammunition in my lever action rifle anymore. I got a single action Colt revolver, I think it is. So similar to what I just showed you in on here. Not sure the caliber of the revolver. I think it might be a 45. Might be a 45 she's rocking with. Yeah, I got my paperwork for mine. Back then, you didn't even need paperwork for it. When they first started manufacturing. Lemoyne. Bounty 525. Aberdeen Pig Farm. I always wanted to ride a horse. I got to meet the women and all that actually ride them. I've got to meet a lot of women that ride horses. I don't know what to say. I've seen horses so many times, but there's a lot of times. Which time should I start talking about horses? Yeah, there's girls that own the horses. Hand-owned horses. I've been to the horse auction. I've seen horses for sale and all that just at the over there in Linden, just outside of there, when you're heading out of Linden, over by the hospital, over by what is it called? They had an auction over there one time. A big old horse. I seen this one Amish kid on Cedar Creek Road outside of Linden. He was riding a horse and he tried to go up this steep ridge. Or not ridge, he just tried to go up the driveway, I mean. But the side of the driveway, oh, I was laughing. My dad, he was laughing too, but then he felt bad. He said, uh-oh. He said, uh-oh. Any responsible horse owner shouldn't have been... Why wouldn't you... Your horse is like, just like a vehicle. Who takes their horse up a thing that's this steep? You're supposed to walk around the driveway. Like, take it over the driveway. Some people, they just didn't get it. What's this, a town? I'm lagging too. This guy's got a rifle. Who is he? Emerald Ranch. He's got a dog. There's all types of people in this town.
Damn late out here. Who is that?
Scrawny nag. I still got the base horse. I think I played this game for a little time